Hey, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about things to do in Shenzhen. So far, I'll be mentioning three, which is basketball, baseball, and bowling. So right now, I am taking you through the metro. The exit that I will be taking is exit C at Miao. Miao also has a mall and other underground restaurants you can eat at the metro. And it has about 3 to 4 metro lines that connect, so it's a big metro station. And if you're getting from one end to the other end of the city, most likely you'll be passing through this metro station to transfer. Once you get out of the exit C, you just walk straight like in the video towards the bank, make a left, and maybe about a 5-minute walk, you'll get to this big red plaza. Inside the plaza, there's a lot of indoor activities you can do, like golf, I believe archery, and baseball. If you go around the back of it, you'll find other outdoor sports like soccer or football for my British folks, and basketball. You can also find badminton here as well. It's honestly one of the best stations to just go out and explore and see what you find. You can even find great food like this restaurant Commune that you see in the clip. It's a popular bar and it's a franchise throughout China where you can have drinks. They have a beer market where you just go and pick up your beer, different selections and bottles, food, and vibes. We've made it to the basketball courts. All you have to bring is yourself and your phone because they have been checking health codes. You don't even have to bring a basketball, that's up to you. As you can see in the video clips, as time passes, more and more people show up until the point where you have enough people to play a game. You can join a basketball team, even a soccer team, and play once a week with your team against other opponents. In this clip, I was walking towards the batting cages, but as you can see, we came across this indoor golf that looked pretty cool. Once I come back, I will definitely check that out. And here we are at the batting cages. The last activity I have for you is bowling. This bowling alley is in Futian, but no worries, there are other bowling alleys throughout the city. For this location, it costs about 180 per hour, and you can just keep topping up and playing until you want to leave. The difference between bowling in China and America is that there's no food. When I mean food, I mean you can't have dinner. There's no chicken wings, there's no things like that. What they usually offer is just some beverages and chips, but it's all good because you can bring in your own snacks and alcohol, so you can make your own party. That's all I have for you today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Let me know if there's any other activities and things to do you want to see in Shenzhen, and I'll see you on the next one.